Thank you for clicking on the video. I know you landed here searching for those amazing Temu deals, and I promise I am not going to waste your time. Let's get straight to the gadgets. Oh, that like and subscribe line? Come on, please just hit it quickly. Alright, let's start. Real-time AI translation earbuds. It sounds unbelievable, but it's real. These AI-powered earbuds can translate up to 156 languages in real time. Imagine talking to anyone, anywhere, without a barrier. Whether you're traveling for business, studying abroad, or meeting new people, these earbuds make every conversation effortless. Equipped with precise simultaneous interpretation, they instantly recognize and translate speech, giving you smooth, natural communication across accents and languages. Designed by BaoFeng, they feature noise cancellation for crystal-clear voice calls, touch controls, and a rechargeable Type-C battery case that keeps you powered throughout the day. Compact, wireless, and smart. It's like having a live interpreter in your ears. A true glimpse into the future of communication. 150x telescope. Engineered for those who love to see beyond limits, this high-power 150x telescope turns ordinary nights into cosmic adventures. With its 70mm aperture and manual focus precision, every detail comes alive, from the surface of the moon to distant mountain peaks. Built by LOVEWE, it's more than a gadget. It's a doorway to discovery. The durable, portable design comes with a sturdy tripod, eyepiece, Barlow lens, and a smartphone holder, so you can capture every breathtaking moment. Whether it's for stargazing, bird watching, or exploring nature with family, this telescope makes the perfect gift for men who crave adventure. More than 30,000 sold, and for good reason. 11-in-1 multifunctional power strip. It's hard to believe one plug can do so much. This 11-in-1 multifunctional power hub turns a single outlet into a full desktop command center. Equipped with 4 AC sockets, 3 USB-A, and 2 USB-C ports, it can power your entire workspace, charge multiple devices, and still have room left over. But that's not all. It even includes a digital clock and a built-in desk lamp, so you get light, time, and power in one clean, compact setup. Designed by QKP, it features surge protection, an on-off control switch, and a sleek rectangular build available in both white and black. Whether for home, school, or office, this charging station delivers pure convenience, the kind of gadget that truly gives you more than your money's worth. BaoFeng UV21R handheld radio. If you travel in groups, work on a construction site, or manage events, this gadget is a must-have. And honestly, it even feels like something straight out of a James Bond dream. The BaoFeng UV21R is a professional-grade handheld radio built for people who need instant, reliable communication anywhere. With UHF and VHF dual-band technology and an impressive 999 channels, it delivers long-range clarity across wide areas. The radio features NOAA weather alerts, keeping you informed in unpredictable conditions, while the Type-C dual charging system lets you power through either USB or a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Compact, durable, and made for both professionals and hobbyists, it's perfect for camping, construction, or large-scale events where staying connected matters most. A practical tool, and a touch of spy-level cool. 1,500-pound pulling force magnet fishing set. Now this is something truly fascinating, the kind of gadget that makes you want to grab your gear and head straight to the river. The 1,500-pound magnet fishing set transforms ordinary outdoor trips into treasure hunting adventures. Built with high-quality metal and shaped for maximum pull strength, this compact 6-centimeter magnet can lift, drag, and recover lost metallic objects from deep underwater. Whether you're cleaning rivers, exploring lakes, or simply chasing curiosity, it's powerful enough to pull heavy items you'd never expect. The included rope ensures a secure grip and easy retrieval, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, recyclers, or anyone who loves a good mystery. Simple, sturdy, and endlessly fun. This gadget turns every outing into an exploration. Under bed storage organizer. Remember when we used to hide random stuff under the bed as kids? Well, times have changed, and now someone's turned that childhood habit into a genius idea. With over 50,000 pieces sold, These metal underbed storage organizers prove that smart design always wins. Each set includes 2 rolling bins with lids, crafted from sturdy metal and durable fabric. The rectangular shape slides smoothly under any standard bed, while the built-in wheels make pulling them out effortless. Perfect for storing clothes, shoes, blankets, books, toys, or anything you want neatly tucked away yet easy to reach. Practical, sleek, and surprisingly stylish. These organizers transform wasted space into useful storage, keeping your room clutter-free and organized like never before. High-end professional tool set. Now, you've probably seen this one in last month's video, and if you haven't yet, trust me, it's worth checking out. This high-end professional tool set is one of those gadgets every home should have. I've got a set myself, and it's saved me more times than I can count. Built from Handheld steel for unmatched strength, this compact kit includes over 45 precision tools, perfect for auto, bicycle, or machinery repairs. Whether you're tightening bolts, adjusting bike gears, or fixing parts around the house, every piece in this set is designed for durability and easy handling. It's available in multiple configurations, from 45 plus 1 to 898 plus 1 pieces, covering everything from deep sockets to ratchet wrenches and drive heads. Portable, reliable, and neatly organized, it's a complete workshop in one case. Soft woven neck massage, couple pillows. Honestly, I wasn't planning to add a pillow to a gadget video, but when something sells over 100,000 pieces in 2 months, it deserves a spot. This, buy one get one. Free pillow set is pure comfort at a steal, just $9 for 2. Made by UFist, these soft woven pillows are built with high-quality polyester fiber filling and an ergonomic orthotic profile that perfectly supports your neck and shoulders. Whether you're sleeping, resting, or just lounging, they adapt to your posture and ease tension with their light, breathable design. The detachable pillowcase is machine washable, keeping things clean and fresh, while the ultrasonic embossed craftsmanship gives it a premium, luxurious finish. Lightweight, portable, and designed for real comfort, these pillows redefine affordable relaxation. Mini portable projector. You know those gadgets that look impressive but rarely perform? This isn't one of them. I thought the same until a friend bought it and we watched a full movie on it. The result? Pure surprise. For just $20, this mini home theater projector delivers far more than expected. With a native 1280 by 720 HD resolution and support for up to 4K decoding, it brings sharp, vivid visuals that easily turn any wall into a movie screen. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for offices, outdoor camping, or cozy movie nights at home. It connects seamlessly with smartphones and tablets, supports 3D video, and comes with remote control for easy navigation. Using LCD display technology, it maintains bright, balanced colors, and the 16:9 aspect ratio gives you that cinematic feel every time. Affordable, portable, and shockingly good, it's the kind of gadget that makes every night a movie night. Car vacuum cleaner. Technically, it's a car vacuum, but honestly, I use it to clean my room too. No broom, no bending. Just stand still and let it do the work. The AD King handheld vacuum cleaner packs serious power in a small frame, delivering 4,200 PA suction that pulls in dust, crumbs, and pet hair effortlessly. Powered by an 1,800 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it runs quietly at just 65 decibels, making it perfect for quick daily cleanups without the noise. The 5 included accessories, from a crevice tool to a dusting brush, let you tackle every corner of your car, room, or even your sofa. Lightweight, wireless, and USB rechargeable, this vacuum is as stylish as it is functional, especially in its pink girly edition, which has become a favorite gift item. For just $138, it's a must-have for anyone who loves a spotless space with zero effort. E88 Mini Drone with camera. Even though this video was meant to feature only 10 gadgets, this one just couldn't be left out. The E88 Mini Drone is too good to ignore, and the fact that it comes with a built-in camera for just $12 makes it an absolute steal. This foldable RC quadcopter by LOVEWE combines portability and performance in one sleek design. With real-time video control through its mobile app, you can capture aerial shots, record videos, and explore your surroundings from an all-new angle. The drone includes 2 rechargeable batteries, each offering up to 15 minutes of flight time, and can soar up to 100 meters high with a stable signal range of 100 meters. Despite weighing under 100 grams, it handles flight smoothly, even for beginners. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or just weekend fun, this little drone delivers big excitement without breaking the bank. And that's our haul of game-changing gadgets. I hope you found exactly what you were looking for. All the links are below, as promised. Seriously, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the like button. See you in the next one. Stay smart.